Hey guys, I just wanted to show you the goodies I got in the mail the other day. I bought this deluxe print edition of Mike Hawthorne's anatomy lectures off of Gumroad. It's really cool. I had previously owned the digital version of it and really liked it, so I was like, why not? I might as well buy the print one because I like books better than looking at things on the computer. Anyway, it comes with a lot of goodies here. There's two sketchbooks, blank sketchbooks with cover that Mike drew, and it also comes with a bunch of stickers, a poster print of some quick reference for proportions. Also comes with a nice pencil and the anatomy lecture book itself, which is really thick. It's really nice. I like that it's spiral bound. Sits flat, like when you're studying. You're not having to constantly kind of hold the book open. But it's a great buy. Like I said, I got it off of Gumroad. I think it was really reasonably priced, and I'm looking forward to doing some sketching in these sketchbooks, and also doing some studying from the guide. But if you guys got the time, you guys should definitely pick it up. It's well worth it. Well, anyway, take care.